I've got a special Christmas gift for myself, and this is the kind of thing that I've been looking forward to for a long time, as in, I wish somebody had invented this sooner, but better now than never. Let's take a look. Yes, it is Christmas lights from Tru-Tone, and even get personalized service with a thank you on the outside of the box. What are Tru-Tone bulbs and what makes them special, I'm sure you're asking? Well, if you look behind me, you'll see that I have a stringer of classic C9 size Christmas bulbs. They're about 2 inches in length and 1 inch in diameter. And they've got a beautiful, warm glow. I mean, they're vintage because they're old now, but they look great and they just give you a warm and fuzzy feeling about Christmas. And Tru-Tone has recreated those apparently exactly. So let's open this box and see what these new LED versions look like. Look at this beautiful packaging with its off-center, off-register graphics, purposely made to look like your old school Christmas lights. This is actually the front. Authentic color, bright warm glow, that's what we're looking for. Classic color, 25 sets, 15 watts. 15 watts total for C9. So really nice presentation here, calling out the features here. Here's our bulbs. So let's have a look at them in their glory. Packaged very neatly. They've got clips on each of the individual bulb sockets here. If they're not glass, then they're really hard plastic, and these look beautiful, and it says Tru-Tone LED on the side. So let's plug them in. That is beautiful and gorgeous. Look at that. The white bulb is, I mean, clearly, you know, that off-white ivory color. The blue is a rich blue. The red is nice. The orange is really nice. Gosh, I mean, I just look at these and that's absolutely perfect. All right, here's my string of incandescent bulbs. Here's the white one compared to the LED white one. LED white one's a hair brighter. Of course, incandescent bulb is years old. Our green is nearly an exact match here. It's beautiful. Of course, the green incandescent bulb is getting hot. Now this is getting a little warm. LEDs are giving off just a little bit of heat now. There's an original orange bulb next to the new orange bulb. The new one, I'm sure it probably isn't showing up on the video, but in person, the new orange bulb is just a hair redder than the old orange bulb. Got another one. This is probably off camera here. Yeah. The blue bulb, the LED blue bulb is just ever so slightly less green than the original ones, but the brightness is just about right on, just on par. I mean, if you didn't have two side by side, you would never be able to tell. And a red bulb, red is usually pretty red, and red, no complaints there. Perfect match. Visually, they look fantastic and perfect. Thank you, Tru-Tone, for making this fantastic recreation for our Christmas enjoyment.